Hi, it's Annabelle from Imprinat, and today I want to talk about something deeply important: a family. A strong, loving family is the backbone of a healthy society. Let's be clear: parents, not bureaucrats or algorithms, should shape a child's values. Mums and dads should be celebrated for protecting their kids, not pressured to surrender their roles to systems that often have hidden agendas of control. What's happening isn't just a cultural shift, it's a long running psyop, a war on the traditional family unit. And yes, that might sound Orwellian because in many ways it is. Let's not sleepwalk into a future where families are replaced by state driven ideologies. Support parents, support tradition, and above all, protect childhood. I'm Annabelle from Imprinat. Stay aware, stay strong, and stay united.